Remix.
I go round with the same selection. I go round, people wonder why. Some night people want to reaction. Some night when the sun goes down. People say people do, people true, can't burn my heart. Riding round big situations over town. 1968.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, meron po kayong bouquet. Meron ka rin balloon. At syempre, meron din inihanggang fruit basket. Ayan, hindi kaya. At syempre, fruit basket. Kailangan mo ng isa. Yes! Kailangan ko ng isa. Tulungan si Mother. Ayan, at syempre, meron din kayong cake! Dito po tayo, madam. Dito po sa side na to. Ayan, kailangan po ba po ng isa para po mag-review?
For me to love and care for me when skies were gray. Whenever I was down, you were always there to comfort me. And no one else can be what you have been to me. Will always be. You will always be the girl in my life for all times. Mama, you know I love you. Oh, I love you, Mama. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like tears from the stars. Mama, I just want you to know, loving you is like food to my soul. Yes it is, yes it is. Yes it is, yes it is. Yes it is, yes it is. You're always there for me, have always been around for me, even when I was bad. You showed
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan! Mama, bago niyo po i-blowan yung candle, dapat po muna kayong mag-wish! So, wish, wish, wish! Yay! Happy birthday! Ayan! At syempre, ano po ang inyong mensahe kay Ma'am Jacqueline, si Sir Nathan at sa kanyang apo na si Daniela? Alam, sabi to. Oh. Yung message mo, Mother?
Salamat, anak! Ay, saan ka Paperte na yung beauty ko!
Sige, ina-expect yun ka eh. Ngayong pandemic. Kahit gusto nila umuwi, pero hindi makauwi kasi dahil sa pandemic, di ba, Mother? Kaya pinahatid po nila ang surprise
Focus kay mother, lagi siyang healthy, number one yan. Kasi ngayon, hindi na importante ang pera. Ang importante, lagi siyang malusog.
Thank you,
Lagi
thank
siyang
you.
i-bless ni God. Yun lang yung best na naiisip ko para sa kanya. Kasi, kung na siya, blessed na siya talaga. Sa mga anak, sa mga apo. Okay na yun siguro. Sa ngayon, sa time ng pandemic, hindi naman na importante yung maraming pera or whatsoever. Basta healthy lang siya, yun na yun.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Nag-sign ka ba ito na?
At syempre, kay mother, ano yung message niyo po?
Siya, matuwa ka.
Wow, happy ko!
Marawan mo yun. Teddy Danilo. Ito kami lang tama. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola. Kahit na wala akong pera. Bibigyan mo ako ng pera. Happy birthday, Lola, and God bless you always. Kahit na ganito yung panahon natin, mag-ingat ka palagi. And nandito lang kami ni Mama. Kahit na...
Nag-sign mo, first time. Nag-sign ni Balong.
Basta,
Basta yun na.
Ayan, apo, si Ate Jackie. Message po.
Ano nga?
Message. Okay, ate, salita pa ate.
Wag na!
Ang message.
Thank you, anak. Oh, ingat din kayo dyan. Thank you sa lahat. Sinurprise niyo ako. Salamat. Salamat na, Daniela. Jackie. I love you, anak.
Mag-message ka.
Tag message ka. Wag.
Ang masaway.
no.
Beng. Thank you. Thank you, anak.
Ayan. Ayan. Thank you, ate. Ano ba ang message niyo kay mom? Happy birthday.
Yung kayamanan.
Yun lang, wala kami ibang may message kundi good health and salamat sa Deo. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating.
Makikaya ka.
Yun lang. Iiyak na si Mother.
Wala na.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Pero, akala nyo yan lang. Meron din inihandang sorpresa si ate. Eto po, mother. Eto, mother, akin na po yung bouquet. At syempre, kailangan nyo po ito. Hilain. At say, pakihila! Eto!
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, hila! Ayan! Ay, bakit Mother, meron naman din sa inyo.
Meron pa yun, bouquet mo.
Oh, kala niya. Ayan, picture mother. 1, 2, 3, smile. Yung bouquet yung kay mother.
Nag-beauty.
Mother, yung bouquet yun. Ganan yung dua. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Bakla pala ako.
Saan talaga tagbibo? Tagbibo ako. Mas manan.
Okay, ako pa nagpapakilala na. Okay, in behalf of NUS's Flower Shopping Parties, thank you, Ma'am Daniela. Oh, sa iyong anak na si Daniela, si Ma'am Jackie, at saka si Sir Nathan, thank you. All the way from London, UK, ayan, at syempre, mother, napasaya ka ba?
Yes!
Ikaw mo masaya! Easy ka! Ayan, syempre, salamat po sa mga dito. Ayan, at syempre kay ate. Ayan, kaway-kaway kayo. Ayan, so, ingat, bye!
Penalty on the MIC. out for me to love and care for me when skies were gray. Whenever I was down, you were always there to comfort me. And no one else can be what you have been to me. Will always be. You will always be the girl in my life for all times. Mama, Mama, you know I love you. Oh, I love you, Mama. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like tears from the stars. Mama, I just want you to know, loving you is like food to my soul.